What's up guys, Shannon from SP88. This is a Jaguar XE and this is the fault code that I've come out to see. P2251-13, oxygen sensor, negative current control, open circuit, bank 1, sensor 1, circuit open. Alright, so the customer has called me out after changing the lambda sensor twice. This is the sensor here. Changed that twice and the fault remained the same. So this is the connection for the lambda sensor. It usually lives right on the clip there, this bit here, and the wire, as you can see, runs from here through that foil tape and here to this multi-plug down there, which is just in there. You can see the red. I thought it would go straight to the engine ECU, so I pulled this one apart and I couldn't find the wires. All the wires except the white wire have continuity from point here to point there, A to B. So there's a broken white wire and I need to find it. That's where I'm at so far. So when I touch the car, it's like, ooh, oh, you're nearly there. Right guys, so I found the issue. It's here, look. All those wires were tucked up in this area here with a little rubber grommet. Where it's just dropped out. Where is that rubber? That was there. There was a little rubber, and there it is. It was sitting in this little rubber thing here, but for some reason it's managed to chafe up. So now I've got to strip this all open and fix these wires. So I've pulled this wire all the way out here. Yeah, I've taken all this. I took one wiper off, lifted up, took this strut brace off as well. And now I can get to this. One thing I'll say, if you guys ever come across this, you see these pipes here, you really don't want to be breaking these, so disconnect it and be very careful around it. It can cause you a massive headache, trust me. Okay, so that's what we got. Alright, so I'm just going to do one rake and connector repair for this white wire, and then I'm going to tape up the other ones. I might do two repairs actually. This green one looks a bit past it as well. Alright guys, this is the repair done. See all the little wires with a bit black tape is where the wire wasn't badly damaged, so I just taped over it. And then these three, I use some raking connectors on them so that they're nice and waterproof, and the wires was too badly damaged to just tape over, so that's what I had to do. Well, that is the end of the repair. I just got to put the car back together now. So that's a taped up wire. I just got to put everything back together.